All right, practice 3a and b. We want to solve for the specific variable. So I'm going to go ahead and take 3 and do it down below, a and b. So I'll go ahead and do it right here. Separate this out. Let's do 3a. So we are given this formula of one volume is 1/3 capital B times h. And we want to solve for b. So that capital B is representing the area of a base. And this is the formula for a pyramid, okay? A pyramid, or this could also be a cone. This is the formula. So we want to solve for B, all right? So as I look at that B, I notice it's two things happening to it. It's getting multiplied by 1/3, it's getting multiplied by an h. Now with that fraction, as we've been doing with those, I'll deal with that first. It's 1/3 times. And everything I do with multiplication, the inverse is division. But in this case, as we've talked about with fractions being multiplied, I want to multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3/1 to start off with. Well, on the right-hand side then, those 3's cancel, the 1's cancel, and there's the b, and there is the h. So we're getting closer to getting b by itself. On the left-hand side, 3 times v, don't overthink it, is 3v. Now, it's attached by multiplication, so I'm going to divide both sides by h. That gets b by itself, and 3v over h. There you go. Part B, we are given this formula of I equals PRT, and we want to take and solve for the variable what? We want to solve for the variable r. This is the formula for calculating interest. I for interest, P for what we call principal, R for rate, and T for time. We'll talk more about that later on down the road. But this is all attached by multiplication. And the inverse of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide by P, I'm going to divide by T. That gets me R by itself. And there is I over P.